Hey guys, what's up? So recently I got an idea for a project that I've wanted to do for one of my resourcing officers. I wanted to make him this nice, big, beautiful plaque, and yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so what I have here right in my hands is an old martial arts board. My sister made, back in the days, we used to do martial arts, and yeah, we'd break boards and do stuff like that. So yeah. Alright, so right here I have a 7500 volt transformer that I repurpose. These transformers are, mainly used for, or originally used for, neon signs, those signs when you drive around, cities, you see the big, glowing signs. That's what those little boxes with those wires um, power up and do. So what I've done so far is I've taken water and baking soda, and what I just do is just pour it in there and stir it up, and what that does is it increases the conductivity of the water. And what I'm doing now with the paintbrush is I'm basically just drawing a circuit on the board, because people don't know, but electricity, it's kind of got like a characteristic. It always tries to find the path of least resistance. So what I'm just doing is I'm just painting, water mixed with baking soda on the board to make, to control, where the electricity will flow and go. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna stick a probe there and a probe there. I'm just gonna flick the switch, and it'll spark, and it should take off soon. There we go. So, like I was saying earlier, about electricity, always trying to find the path of least resistance. Electricity, it's kind of, it's lazy. Um, you know, for example, let's say, like, as you guys know, whenever, like, you see electronics, you always see, like, copper wire, you never see steel wire, and the reason for that is because steel acts like a resistor. And what actually happens and what goes on during when electricity travels through a piece of steel or a piece of copper is steel, because it's a resistor, the electrons, when because you have voltage, you have amperage. Amperage is how fast the current is moving, I believe, or maybe I have it the other way around. But what happens is the electrons, they when they're running through steel, they actually clash against the atoms, that make up steel or copper, or all that stuff. Alright, so here's a finished artwork after the etching and burning. Now I'm just gonna put some shellac on it, put a couple coats on it, and we should be good. Alright, so right here what I have is a dog tag. I bought it off of Amazon, and so I remove, the lanyard, and so now I'm just gonna drill a other hole in the other side and, repurpose the lanyard and, turn it into a plaque. Alright, so I got two screws here, I'm just gonna screw them in and, make this dog tag, look like a professional plaque. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna take rubbing alcohol, go ahead and polish it up right here, and yeah. Alright, so I just came back from the store and I got a couple cup hooks here, and I'm just gonna get this sucker open real quick. So now what I'll do is I'm gonna take a tape measure, measure, evenly on both sides, 2 inches, and now I'll take a Sharpie and draw a hole or draw a circle on each side, and I'll screw the cup hooks in, and then I'll do the same with the other Lichtenberg art, and I'll hang them. Yeah. Alright, so after I'm done screwing in this cup hook, I'll do it on the other side, and then I can join this artwork with the dog tag plaque I made, and I'll go ahead and repeat it on the other side, and I'll put not a lanyard, but a rope for it, to hang, and yeah. Anyways, here it is. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe. As always, stay safe and God bless.